I was recently gifted this mobile pet camera, and it is really good for keeping track of our dog named Peppa. And you'll see her shortly as I demo it. First thing, I want to show you that you do have to download an app, and it's very easy to do. So step by step, not a big deal. You do have to connect it to your Wi-Fi, which again, no big deal, works out well. But if you can take a look, it is really nice to be able to see the different capabilities, and you see the really HD camera that you see. So you are able to control it right from your phone. It does have a docking station right here. Yes, and it'll tell you when it's charging. Yes, so it'll let you know exactly what's happening. So it says it's all charged up. So that is what it looks like when she's ready to go. And so you can put this anywhere. You do plug it in. It does come with a cable. It does come with a docking station and really easy instructions, which is nice. It's ready for adventure. And so what I'm going to show you is how this works to be able to put it into a few different modes. Remote control, which means you can move it all over the place and check out your pet. Or you can do a predefined path that it goes around. So if you want to define a path in your house, the way it goes around. But what I'll do is let's take her out of I will put it onto remote control. And then you can see what we can do on the remote is I'll say, all right, let's go forward. Let's move around and let's start going in different directions. So I'll show you exactly what it looks like and take it through the motions. And here we go. Right out of the dock, you'll see her start to come. And you have different speeds. I like to keep it about the medium. Let's go find that dog. Let's go find the dog. Let's go find her. Now here you see our dog right there, and we're going to use the remote control to follow her around a little bit. She's a little hard to keep track of because she is pretty fast. So we'll go looking for her, looking all around. It does go through not very thick carpet, but it does go through the thin carpet. So we're able to do that pretty easily. As you can see, very easy to control. You can also do a bunch of different things. I give it 2 thumbs up. It's a lot of fun.